Nothing beats a refreshing beer. Beer is made with just 4 ingredients: water, hops, malts, and yeast, most of which can be found right in your kitchen in bread. Time to brew some mediocre beer using household ingredients. Bread already contains grains and yeast, so if you want to brew pale beer, go with a light bread. For a red, go with something like this marble rye. And this pumpernickel will yield a dank, dark beer. For all of these, let's go with the same process, just switch up the type of bread and the quantity of hops. Mash 3 slices of bread into 1.2 gallons of water heated to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Mash, mash, mash. Pull those natural sugars from the bread. Without the sugars, you won't produce any alcohol. And let this steep for 40 minutes. Hit it with some heat and bring it to a boil. Oh, look at that color. Pale just like me at the end of the winter. Boil for 20 minutes, but after 10 minutes, add in ½ ounce or 14 grams of pelletized hops. Oh, yes. Or use 5 grams for the red or your darker beers. These are readily available at your local homebrew shop. Continue to boil for about 10 more minutes. Hops are closely related to cannabis. Cool rapidly in a cold water bath. Bread already contains yeast, which will launch the fermentation process, converting those sugars to alcohol. Strain and transfer into a clean bottle, and in no time at all, the yeast will have done its dirty work, and you've got beer using mostly household ingredients. This pales in comparison to your favorite craft brew, but it gets the job done. I'm so excited, let's see how it tastes. Gotcha. Don't spoil it. Tag or share with your beer-loving friend for April Fool's Day.
Report.